Well, here's a Mercedes typewriter. It has the Mercedes-Benz MB logo. It's the Prima, who knows? And my guess it's late 30s. It has a German keyboard on it. I took it off its built-in base so I could blow it out on the get all the dust and cobwebs out of it. I'll remount it. The carriage works, and I installed a new black ribbon, and the platinum's hard. These little hold downs here have flattened out over time, being in the same spot. That's why it's a good idea to release the rollers so it doesn't, you don't hear the clicking sound, so that we won't create flat spots. I typed out my name here. Type fine. The keys are uneven here at the resting point, and because the rubber that they come to rest with, the keys have actually sunk into the rubber over time. All the keys are working, but so what other cool stuff? All the decals in the back, very clean. And these are the I don't know if they're the original metal rollers, but I just rewound a black ribbon onto the rollers. It's a German, I don't know if I told you, but it's a German keyboard. Like the Y and the Z is reversed. Plus there's no @ symbol. And then you have some other German letters that are different from a standard English keyboard. The E, the glass that covers the E, is cracked. It's still intact, but it is cracked. All the other ones are fine. So I think that's it. Oh yeah, the strap here on the case one is just it's all there. It just needs to be re-sewn. And the rubber feet on the bottom here, there's some have pretty well seen their days. And there was some kind of tape on here I'm not sure what that's all about, but they had taped it up. But the tape doesn't go on the sides at all. I mean, at first I thought, well, maybe they taped it to keep it closed. But the latch works fine. And so I think that's it. Thank you for watching this video.